Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. Today we've got the bowl mold. Okay, I'm gonna try the alcohol ink drop again. This is 4 ounces of the Bond Craftor Fast Cure. This time I'm gonna do red and orange. This is the Sigwang red, and this is the Sigwang orange. Alright, these are the chunky holographic opal glitters that are just from Amazon. So I'm just going to add a little bit of each to the resin. Okay, that was a little bit of the orange. And that is more than a little bit of the red. Alright, and once again, just gonna add a drop of the clear Elmer's school glue. Okay. Oh yeah, perfect consistency. Alright, I'm going to start with the red. Give it a shake. Yeah, I know it's open. Oh yeah, if y'all could see what I just did. All over my desk and probably on my shirt. Luckily it's a black shirt. Okay. Now, alright, here we go. Okay, and I always forget to say this, but I am an affiliate of Bond Craftor. All the information is going to be listed in my description box. My affiliate link, the coupon code, the Bond Craftor link, sorry. Okay, I never do this, but I'm gonna add a little bit more resin, a little bit more alcohol ink. I don't know why I keep saying that. Okay, and I hope I said this. This was 4 ounces. And this time, I know that's how much this takes. I'm going to stop just a little shy. Whoa! Stop! Okay, that is completely full. I'm going to put this on my curing rack, and I'll be back again tomorrow to demold it. Or later today. Okay, let's demold this. I filled it too full. No, I didn't fill it too full. I filled it perfectly. Just liking it. See. Ooh. Really pretty. Really pretty. I was afraid that orange and red would blend too much and you wouldn't be able to see a difference. Wow, it's so pretty. I love the way the resin streaks, or the alcohol ink, or however you want to say it, but so pretty. And there's a nice difference between the red and the orange. The red maybe was a little heavier. So pretty. As you can see, the red, I don't know if you want to say sunk or... Oh, so pretty. I'm loving that glitter. Sorry, it's orange. I don't know what to say. It's not my new orange, but it is an orange. Alright. I want to thank y'all all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hot button if you think this video deserves it. Bye for now.